My name's AJ, I work here at Intelligro. I help run our retail yard here and we supply customers with growing media, bark mulches and stones and sands and aggregates. Based here in Weedens, which is just north of Rolleston near Christchurch, New Zealand. Intelligro's a family-run business, multi-generational, local landscape, trade customers, commercial customers, as well as the public. We have a team of 30 staff. We got the Volvo L20 Electric Loader as an interim trial machine while one of our machines was out of action, and we've been using that here in our retail yard at Intelligro to load landscape, commercial trade customers as well as the public with our soft materials. At first I was a wee bit sceptical, thinking that being electric it probably wouldn't have the same power or capabilities of our traditional field loaders. However, it's driven and proven to be exactly the same as our other loaders that we do have and use here. Operator comfort's actually really good. Probably one of the more comfortable loaders driven. You can adjust all the settings to each unique driver. So whether it's the ergonomic comfort of it or even the hydraulic speeds in that are all adjustable. So initially when we got the loader, it was set at 100% I think for the hydraulics. We've slightly wound that down a little bit to adjust so that we can keep our accuracy and spill less product. I think it actually exceeded everyone's expectations in terms of its functionality. We've basically just carried on as business as usual using it. It's slotted in perfectly fine, very smooth to use, very quick and efficient. Essentially it doesn't drive any different to our traditional loaders that we do have here. The electric is noticeably a lot quieter. It produces basically zero noise. Power, speed, functionality, it's fine. It's just like any other traditional loader. We could get 6 hours of use out of it. At the end of the day, we would park it up, plug it back in, recharge it overnight, and then it will be ready to use again for the next day.